Unit 1, Mid-Unit Major. For all grids, each small square on the grid has an area of 1 square unit unless otherwise indicated. Question 1. What is the area of each parallelogram? Question 2. What is the area of each triangle? Question 3. What is the area of each parallelogram? Question 4. On each triangle, draw a segment to represent the height that corresponds to the given base. Label each height with the word height. Question 5. Draw two parallelograms, both with an area of 18 square units. The two parallelograms should not have the same side lengths. Question 6a. Decompose the given figure to find the area. B. Clearly show on the figure how you used decomposition to find the area. 7a. The figure is a diagram of a wall. Lengths are given in feet. How many square feet is the wall? B. Clearly show on the figure how you use decomposition to find the area.